Welcome to DBMS class. Today we are going to discuss about the join operators in SQL. So joins are used to retrieve the records from the multiple tables. So if you want to retrieve the records from multiple tables, then we are using join operators. So joins SQL supports four types of joins: inner join, outer join, cross join, and a natural join. So let us discuss about detail in inner join, outer join, and cross join and natural join. So first one is inner join or equijoin. So this type of joins can be used in situation where we want to select the only rows that have the values common in the columns specified in on class. So this inner join operator is used to retrieve the records only the values which are presented as a common in a column which is specified in on class. So observe here. So this diagram shows that it displays the records only presented within a common column as a common values. So syntax for inner join is, so select the columns from table 1, inner join operator, table 2 on table 1 dot column name equals to table 2 dot column name. So in this type of syntax it displays all the records from the table 1 and table 2. So those values are having the both the tables in a column specified in on class. So it is also implemented like this by using syntax. So observe this syntax. So select column names from table 1, inner join table 2 on table 1 column names equal to table 2 column name. So example, so select customer dot customer name order id from customer table. So here inner join orders, so on customer dot customer id and orders dot customer id order by. So here we used order by clause is also customers dot customer name. So that is so this example query retrieves the customer name from customer table, order id from order table, so which are having the customer id common value in customer table and order table, and order also customer name in customer table. So next one, outer join. So outer joins are classified as three types. So like left outer join. First one, so left outer join means it takes all the tuples from the left relation and those records are not matched with the right relation in common column. For those columns those columns SQL adds the null attributes. So left outer join means it takes all the tuples from the left relation and adds the null values to the attributes for the records those are not presented in a right relation. So here observe the syntax. So select column name from table 1, left outer join table 2. So on table 1 dot column name equals to table 2 dot column 2. So you can also use like this type of syntax. So here observe the example. So here customer, left select customer dot customer name comma order dot order id from customer table, and next left outer join orders table, and on customer dot customer id equal to order dot order by customer dot customer name means it takes all the records from the customer table and those records are not presented in a right side table, that is order table. So for that records adds the null values to the attributes. So next one, right outer join. So right outer join means observe this diagram. So it takes all the tuples from the right side relation and adds the null values to the attributes for the records those are not presented in left side relation. So means it takes all the records from right side table and add the null values to the attributes those are not presented in a left relation. So observe this syntax. So select column names from table 1 write outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. So you can also apply like this syntax. So here it takes all the tuples, all the records from the table 2. Those records are not presented in table 1, so for that record adding the null values to the attributes for that columns. So observe this example. So it takes that is customer dot customer name order dot order id, write outer join orders. So here customer table and order table we used. So it takes all the records from orders table and adds the null values to the attributes for those records which are not presented in a left side table, so which is specified in common column on class. So next one, full outer join. So full outer join is nothing but combination of left outer join and right outer join. So syntax is like this: select column names from table 1, full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column name, table 2 dot column name. So here observe this example. So it takes customer name order id from customers, full outer join orders on customer dot customer name order dot order id order by customer dot customer name. So in this example, so first it will perform the left outer join, then it will perform the right outer join. So next one, cross join. So it performs the Cartesian product of two tables. So that is it takes every row from the left side relation and all the records will be taken from the right side relation and repeat the data. So syntax is select star from table 1, cross join table 2. So this is syntax. So next one, natural join. So natural join means it takes all the records from the both the tables. So those are having the common values in common column. So here observe this syntax: select star from table 1, cross join table 2. So that is here it takes each record from the sorry. So this example is related to cross join. So omit this one. So this is natural join. So in this natural join, it takes all the records or all the rows from the matching values in matching columns. So observe this syntax: select a star from table 1, natural join table 2. So that is in table 1, table 2. So common column having which is common values in both the tables, those rows are only displayed by using this natural join. So join using class. So join using class, select all the tuples from table 1 and table 2. So those are presented as a common in column specified in using class. So okay, thank you. This is regarding join operation in SQL. So let us next we will discuss about the practical demonstration on join operations.